Hi everyone! Today I have an interesting topic to teach you. How to add complex textures in Illustrator. If you have a photo, you can convert it into a vector like this. Okay, let's get started. First, we need to place the photo into Illustrator. Go to File, Place, then select the image you want. In my case, it's this image. Pay close attention to the options here. Once you click on the image, the link option will be checked by default. This means the image you selected is linked to your artwork. For example, if you rename or delete the original image file on your computer, Illustrator won't be able to find it when you open this file later. However, if you uncheck link, the image will be embedded directly into the artwork file. The advantage is that deleting the original image on your computer won't affect this file. The downside is that your file size may become much larger because the image is embedded. The larger the image, the heavier the file size will be. In this case, I won't select link, which means the image will be embedded in the file. Since we're going to convert the image anyway, there's no need to keep it linked. After you click place, you'll see the image thumbnail. Follow your mouse cursor. If you click once, the image will be placed immediately. But you can also position and scale the image by clicking and dragging like this. See, so I'll drag it to cover the entire artboard. Go to the window menu and select Image Trace. There are 3 mode options: color, grayscale, and black and white. I'm using black and white mode. Then click Advanced, so we can fine-tune the settings ourselves instead of relying too much on presets. I'll start by adjusting paths, corners, and noise, because these are very important. But first, don't forget to check Preview, so you can see the changes instantly as you adjust the settings. For paths and corners, I set them to 30, but it's not very detailed. I want it to preserve more detail. Noise is the key setting here. I reduce it to 1. See, it brings back a lot of the small details that were missing. Threshold also has a noticeable effect. I'll adjust it so you can see the difference. I lower it from 128 to 100. Notice the change. If I push it up to 150, it looks like this. Okay, I think this works well for me. Scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see the Ignore option. Check it and click the color box, then change it to white. This will remove the white color and leave only the black areas, making the background transparent. After that, click Expand to convert it into vectors. I draw a rectangle as the background and change its color. Then move it underneath by holding Control and pressing the left bracket. See, that works because we selected Ignore white in the previous step. Now you can change the background to any color you want. Go to the Type tool and type any text you want. I'll set the text color to white. I copy the text, scale it up, and change it to red. I'll convert it into a regular shape by right-clicking and choosing Create Outlines. Then I make another copy, change it to black, right-click, and choose Transform Rotate, setting it to 90 degrees. Arrange them like this, or however you prefer. Draw a rectangle to cover the entire artboard. Hold Shift and select both the red and black text. Right-click and choose Make Clipping Mask. If it jumps to the front, that's fine, just hold Control and press the left bracket to send it back. All done. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.